So the question is passive income taxable? So in order to answer this question, you have to figure out what kind of income you're talking about. Usually, passive income to me would mean something like a dividend. If you're talking in the online world, people throw around the term like passive income all the time, but there really is no such thing. There might be, actually, there is just one I've stumbled upon, but that's just using full automation to post to like an Etsy store. In that case, that would be passive income because I'm not doing anything. The system's literally doing everything. I bought a program that does it all. I can tell you more about it too if you want. Just let me know in the comments if you want to hear about it. But that income that I make, yeah, absolutely, I have to pay tax on it. So you, there's two things guaranteed in life, and that's death and taxes. So now, how much are you going to pay on taxes? It depends on where you live. But like if you go online and you type that in, is passive income taxable? Of course it is. So to me, even if that's like considered dividends or anything like that, I mean that's taxable. Now it's got a more beneficial tax rate versus capital gains or straight up income, which is why I've structured my business as a corporation so that I get paid dividends from the corporation, and I pay tax on the dividends, and I pay tax in my corporation as well. So you can never avoid taxes. You never want to because you're going to go to jail. They suck. Taxes are not fun. I just paid a huge bill already in April, and I got another one coming up in June for the corporation. So it is not fun at all. But again, too, I got to say this. I'm not like a lawyer. I'm not a tax lawyer. I'm not an expert at taxes. But when the question comes up, I think they're just a little bit confused as to even what they're asking. So if the question is more along the lines of, when you make money online, do you have to pay tax on it? Yeah, you do. So you have to file your income tax return. If you structure it through a company, the company's got to file tax returns, and then you're taking money out of the company somehow to pay yourself, right? So you got to pay income on the company and then on yourself. At the end of the day, it is just the way I do it seems to be more beneficial because I end up paying less tax overall than I would if I took it straight up as income, but I still do pay a boatload in tax. Like Amazon paid nothing in tax. I paid like a ton. So I don't know. The question is weird because passive income doesn't really exist except for I'm trying to find something here. And I guess rental property, right? And dividends. So the IRS is saying passive income come from two sources: rental property or a business in which one does not actively participate, such as being paid book royalties or stock dividends. Okay, in that case, yeah, that's passive income. I don't like the term when it deals with online. That's all. So yes, you're gonna have to pay taxes on it, but how much, you got to talk to an accountant. Because I'm not one. Anyway, hope that helps. Bottom line, pay your taxes. That way you don't end up like in deep trouble with the government. All right?